You good?
You're not going to be running in like this. Stand by. Let me go step when they're all ready and I'll start in, yeah?
It's not really too much heat. Huh? Fucking hell, and then walking back out. I was trying to fit this much, wasn't it?
Stand by. 3, 2, 1, keep on, keep on, keep on. Go, go, go.
Oh, we all straight away, were we?
Straight away.
Sexy.
You start, when you got your grenade, to get that door away. Me, hang on.
Pop my door.
Inwards or outwards?
It's both ways, lads. It's both ways.
The door goes both ways. You can go.
I'll go in.
Grab him.
Hit. Where are they?
I can't see because I'm flashing. One over there.
Yeah, watch out, watch out.
I'll give him back.
That doesn't help.
Open the door, open the door.
Save me fighting to get you to the back.
Open it.
Go.
Really?
Push, boys.
On your left, on your left.
Torches down!
Go.
Push, get it.
Hi, Brendan!
Oh,
Dead.
Dead. Set up.
Boys, push now, they're not out by there.
Go on, straight in, straight in.
Yeah, there's loads of us grenaded. Go.
Go on. Oh, what the fuck is that?
They just kill each other.
Pretty messy. Right, come on, let's go then.
We need. Oh, good shot. Good shot.
Can I get across here, mate? Let's go.
Get down, get down.
Hit. Alright, can I go again, mate? Yeah. Okay, well.
Just waiting.
I'm back.
Thank you. Marshall.
Yeah.
Quick eight, orange, quick eight.
Oh, fuck me. That's a squeeze.
Keep on shooting across in that direction. So you can push it.
Is there something in our roof?
I think so, yeah. Then you're gonna need it. Put one more. Go on.
Look at where that come from.
Go.
I'm sure I've hit them in here most times.
Marshall, pop it through.
Oh, come on, bud, come on.
Yeah, it was like that.
What are you doing it?
Right. Oh, watch Emmy's there. Right there.
Was he two in there?
Just for there. I need to keep back with it, literally, for there. Yeah. Ready? I'll flash. You shoot?
Yeah. Is it like, should I launch it?
Yeah, one straight hook. Ready? Right, 3, 2.
What's that? Right down the bottom.
Back, right at the back. Oh! Fuck me, that sounds sexy as fuck.
Lovely, innit?
Oh!
He's not talking about the gun.
Cheers for this, you can dump the cover. Oh, nice. Right.
Hey! Hey, man, in the pouch!
Fine, good.
Yeah, it was.
Woo!
Yeah, it's fine. You just throw that one? Yeah, impact. Yes.
Fucking roof. Sorry. I just took off your roof down, Marshall, sorry.
Oh, fuck. Oh, what a fucking shot! Here's my flashlight's fucking dead.
You red or blue?
Green!
Red! Red! Oh, yeah, it's red, it's red.
Pink!
How can I be shot on this side?
I think we can go.
Yeah, we can go.
He's not red, he's on the fucking corner, boys.
Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, okay.
You got it. Go, 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 go. No, it's red, red. He's up behind the wall there.
You gotta go, go in. You go to the left through. Yeah, good. Keep going, keep going. Keep going.
Yeah, you're all dead.
Have you?
I'm down, bro.
You're all alive again, so you'll be-
You good?
Push, push, push. Push, push, push. Push, push, push. And then it keeps live. Keep the pressure on.
Oh, don't fucking start. Fuck's sake.
Come on, get now.
A Marshall, where the light stairs and exploded in the corridor. With that, one of the lights in the corridor is broken and glass over the glass corridor for now.
Right, sorry, Marshall. Right, can I squeeze through, boys?
Steph?
Is the game over, are we?
No, we got last light.
Ooh, push through.
Good push, boy.